everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 687 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the ILLAMASQUA liquid eyeliner that I got in the shade black as part of my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. And all of the products that I've tried out so far from my Ultimate box have been really blowing me away. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. But so I feel like I am building up my collection of ILLAMASQUA products because of Ipsy. I've been getting a lot of ILLAMASQUA products lately, which I'm really happy about because these are pricey products. For just this liquid eyeliner, it has a retail value of $22. And it has the felt tip. Here you can see what it looks like, very pointy, which is good. Let me go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, yeah, it draws on just like a marker. It has a flexible felt tip, which is key. I've tried out those liquid eyeliners where the felt tip is so hard and pointy that it hurts the eye. You don't get any flexibility in glide when you apply it, but thank goodness this one is not like that. It's full black color. It's supposed to be budge proof. Let's see if it dried down yet. It has a shiny finish, so it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, yeah, completely dried down immediately, which is awesome. This is perfect because like the weather that I have today, it's rainy slash hailing slash snow and windy, where like I step outside, I have my hood on, but somehow I still get completely drenched. And you need an eyeliner like this if you're gonna wear eyeliner in this type of weather. And I'm not a big liquid eyeliner wearer. I wear it whenever I wear false lashes because I like to put a little line to hide the band, but that's really the only time that I tend to wear liquid eyeliner, which means I'm not very good at applying it. So if I can apply this easily, that says a lot. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to try lining my upper lash line. And the key for when I apply it, I have this mirror right in front of me here. And I need to use both hands when I apply my liquid eyeliner. So I need to pull my eyelid with one hand and apply it with the other. And that's the technique I'm going to follow. Wow, this is so easy to apply. It glides right on, and what I really like about this is that it's so easy to get right down to the lash line, and there's no space or like skin in between the lash line and the liner. I get very picky about that because I feel like if you can see any of my eyelid in between the eyeliner and the lash line, I feel like it just does not look good. But because this is so pointy, it gets right on top of the lash line, so it looks perfect. I love that. And the difference with the eyeliner versus without it, it really does just add so much emphasis to my eye. All I did was add a really quick line, but I feel like this eye looks so drastically different than this eye. This eye looks bigger, it looks more glamorous. So adding that black eyeliner to the upper lash line is such an easy way to really emphasize your eyes. Let's see, am I feeling brave? I'm gonna try and do a little wing. Not my best work, but this eyeliner would be great for doing a wing. I just, of course, put it a little bit too far down so it's not pointing in the right direction, but oh well. When this happens, a really quick fix is to just take a makeup wipe or anything like that, even a Q-tip dipped into some makeup remover, and just shave off the wing a little bit. So that's how I tend to fix my wings that turn out like this. But that's okay. I'm not reviewing my wing skills, I'm reviewing the eyeliner, and this eyeliner is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye. So we've got the line. I can line my upper lash line very nicely, but when it comes to that wing, I really struggle. And I just noticed throughout this whole video, I haven't put the cap back on this, and this is not drying out at all. So I really like that. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try a wing on this eye. Any better? Not really. I feel like I just don't have the right shaped eyes for winged eyeliner either, because I get like the creases in the corner here. So where like my eye is closed, the wing looks great. But then when I'm straight on and my eye is open, the wing like disappears. But okay, this eyeliner though is awesome. Applies beautifully, full black color. It's not gonna budge. So I'm really happy with the eyeliner. I'm just checking, yeah, no transfer. So this is great. If you're looking for a great black liquid eyeliner, I would definitely recommend this one here. And if you got this in your Ipsy box, or if you've just tried this before, I would love to know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.